is a truth universally acknowledged that every now and again a situation.
Gonna tell Aunt Mary about Uncle John. He claimed he has the music, but he ain't alone.
All right! All right! All right!
Base, are you there? What are we walking into?
The intelligence I'm looking at suggests...
Hold on. Hide, truck on its way.
Wait a minute. Your handler is that Matt Miller?
Kinsey, be nice. But seriously, what the hell?
Matt Miller is a brilliant hacker, a venerated agent of MI6, and a key member of our operation.
And the fact that he tried to kill us.
What's past is past. We are all working together now. Let's focus on the job.
As I was saying...
Hold that thought, Matt. Guards ahead.
ارجع بسرعة.
Hold position. Let's take him out quietly. Matt, you were saying?
The nuke is stashed deep in the compound. It's likely primed and ready to go.
Getting booted from the U.S. sent Cyrus Temple off the deep end, but teaming up with terrorists? Seriously?
And we're in. Get my back.
You should be nearing the missile.
Cyrus has soldiers everywhere, so be alert.
Attention, attention, please.
Quiet. Listen.
Saints, glad you can make it.
Gotta hate this guy.
Don't take it personal.
Why would we?
I should have killed you in Steelport.
Or maybe take it personal.
You ruined Steelport.
Matt, Kinsey, what's going on?
Shit! Our side's bombing the compound!
Oh, wait a minute, we're still in here.
I'm not dropping the bomb!
Just get them to stop.
I'll do what I can, but work quickly.
Cyrus,
Where to now, then?
Don't sweat. I got this. This way, people.
Every mission has its bumps.
Bump? You call that a bump?
You're alive, aren't you? Pierce, come with me. You two go through that door.
On it.
Let's see how you can handle yourself, Mr. Celebrity. We'll be on mic.
Handle myself? Shit, I can handle myself.
You should be really close to the missile silo now. Stay alert. Cyrus is such a berg when it comes to security.
Yo, we're here. The target is just ahead.
Target's in the next room.
Damn it!